Hello guys. I hope everyone is doing great. So today I actually want to show you how to get money, free money on Binance Red Packets. So let me give you a quick explanation. It's like a token someone has given you. So you actually just have to claim it by using the code. So I'm gonna share the code in the description. So I'm gonna use this one first. So as you can see, I just opened the code and okay, so I have some thing right here. So this went 0.90. So guys, the only thing you have to do is to get your red packets token code and just input it inside, and you're gonna get what you need. So it varies, the amount varies. You can get any amount, you can get 1 BTC. Guys, okay, so this is 57.8 BTTC. So okay, so this sounds, so you can actually get a lot of money using a red packet code. So guys, you have to try this right now. We're gonna post all the tokens or the red packet codes in my description for you to get access to. So you can check my description right away and get. So this is very simple. Just try the tokens and you're gonna get a lot of money. So you just need to stay tuned, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you can get all my videos on making money and all the tips you need on this channel. So thanks for watching. See you next time in my next video.